coconut oil has come a long way from being a traditional staple in tropical regions to becoming a popular ingredient in kitchens and beauty products worldwide. Originating from the humble coconut, this oil is known for its health benefits and versatile uses. This simple fruit is transformed into the coconut oil we use every day through a long and interesting process. So, how do they do it? The cultivation of coconuts actually started centuries ago. These incredible trees, often called the tree of life, were a source of food and a cornerstone of survival, providing materials for shelter, clothing, and you guessed it, oil. In the beginning, the methods to extract coconut oil were simple and natural. People would collect the mature coconuts, crack them open, and let the sun do the rest of the work. The coconut meat was sun-dried, turning into what we call copra. Once dried, this copra was then manually pressed, squeezing out all the oil drop by drop. But as the coconut oil's incredible benefits became more popular across oceans and continents, the need to produce more oil more efficiently sparked innovation. From manual pressing in villages, the production techniques evolved with the times. The introduction of expellers and mills mechanized the process, increasing the yield and making coconut oil accessible to everyone, everywhere. Now, this oil has become a beloved staple in our kitchens and beauty routines. So what exactly goes into coconut oil these days? At the heart of coconut oil is the coconuts themselves. But not just any coconut will do. A special type known as milling-grade copra is used. What's so special about this copra? Milling-grade copra is the best of the best. It's made by sun-drying the coconut meat. This type comes from coastal areas like Kangium in Tamil Nadu, known for their top-notch copra. To make the perfect coconut oil, the coconuts are first carefully selected. Once they are gathered, the coconut meat is laid out to dry, morphing into copra. Now comes the part where the oil is extracted. There are multiple ways this can be done. Cold pressing is simply gently squeezing the juice from the fruit. On the other hand, there's hot pressing, where more oil is wringed out through the help of heat. Another common method is wet milling, which is like extracting the essence directly from fresh coconut meat, preserving an abundance of antioxidants and giving us what could be considered the strongest version of coconut oil. But the journey doesn't end there. Once the oil is in hand, it's time for cleaning. Through settling, filtering, and refining, the oil is purified, ensuring that when it makes it to the shelves, it is as pure as possible. And of course, quality control is important, ensuring that only the best, purest oil, free from unwanted guests like excess moisture and acids, makes its way to you. Once the coconut oil is spun, pressed, and purified into its final version, it's time for getting it ready for you. First up is packaging. The oil is packed to maintain its quality and freshness during its travels. Glass jars and sturdy plastic containers are the go-to choices by most producers. Once they are packed, they are transported to stores worldwide where you can buy them. Coconut oil has become increasingly popular over the years, and its demand is rising for many reasons. It has captivated kitchens, beauty routines, and health regimes across the globe with its flexibility and multiple uses. Let's start with its starring role in traditional medicine and the wellness scene. For generations, coconut oil has been the primary remedy in many cultures, renowned for its healing powers. Fast forward to today, and it's all the rage in modern health trends, from ketogenic diets to oil pulling for dental health. But the impact of coconut oil stretches far beyond personal health. It plays a significant role in the lives of countless farmers in tropical countries, shaping economies and communities. The coconut oil industry is crucial for local economies, providing livelihoods for families. And just when you think you've got coconut oil figured out, it surprises you with its versatility. Beyond frying delicious and healthy foods or moisturizing your skin, coconut oil finds its way into innovative uses. Did you know it's a key ingredient in making eco-friendly soaps and even fuels for engines? Or that it can be a natural insect repellent and a leather conditioner? Coconut oil is a versatile and fascinating part of our lives that we don't really pay a lot of attention to. This simple jar of oil combines tradition, health, and innovation. It spans across oceans and cultures, enriching lives and tantalizing taste buds. As we've seen, the world of coconut oil is vast and varied, touching everything from our morning routines to our evening meals. One use for coconut oil is as a butter substitute in chocolate chip cookies. To find out how chocolate chip cookies are produced, click here.